Hello everybody. Once again I am here with you another session of this simplification of Boolean expressions and previously we have seen number of expressions and simplifications using the Boolean algebra laws and now here are few examples and one of which is to be AB complement, or if you look at this carefully, AB complement or ABC total complement of this, or A and B or AB complement whole total complement is to be there. This is quite interesting that complement and complements are to be there. So that's why the De Morgan's is having the much more importance. I already explained it, and De Morgan's both the theorems are useful to get exactly and operation to or to and in complement sections. So let's see what logic is to be here for the simplifications, and somehow one logic is already here. The simplification is going to be concerned. So look at this first stage where this A B complement or ABC total complement of that is to be there. Forget about the whole complement again and plus A and B or A B complement likewise. Just focus on this A B complement. What is the red lines you can see here? A B complement or ABC total complement of that. So here A is taken as a common, and that's why the remaining part is to be as an B or B complement or BC is to be there. Again remaining part is as it is, A and B or AB complement as it is to be there. So here this B complement or BC is nothing but to be related to our law number 14, or somewhat exactly the law is to be related with this A or A complement B is to be there. In the same way here is B complement or BC is to be there. So in this case it will be A or B complement, and in this case B complement or BC is nothing but to be B complement or C is to be there. In the same fashion, if you look at this case which is also to be similar in that fashion, here if it is nothing but to be a B or B complement A is to be there, that can be written as a B or A is to be there. That is how it is using that law is to be there. And here again if we multiply with this bracket part, then we will get here, uh, let's see what is to be there. This is first part, A B complement or AC total complement is to be there, or AB or AA likewise this. So in this case again, uh, total complement, for that we are not going to applying anything is to be there. So here A B complement or AC total complement of that is to be there again, or this A, if you look at this case AB or AA, here A and A is nothing but to be a simply one A, because A and A is always A, and that's why instead of these two A's we can write one A is to be there. And if we will write one A, then A is taken as a common in this case, and then the remaining part A, if A will be taken as a common, then in bracket B or 1 needs to be there. But again we know B or 1 is always 1, and that's why 1 and A is always A is to be there. So the remaining part is as it is, A B complement or AC total complement, or A again complement total complement is to be there. Now here we can apply the De Morgan's theorem, where the this A B complement or AC is taken as a one part or the one term, and this a is simply another term is to be there. So when applying, because the complement part is there for this part, and that's why we have taken this as a one term and this a as a another term, and sum is going on and the complement is to be there. That means the according to the De Morgan's theorem, it is nothing but to be a complement of sum, and that can be written as a product of their complement. Then again we will write AB complement or AC. Already one complement is to be there, this complement is to be applied, that why De Morgan's theorem is applied, that's why it is to be double complement, and a complement is to be there. This or is converted into and operation, and we have this relation, and complement of complement original is to be there, and that's why we have remaining value AB complement or AC, and a complement is to be there. So again, if we are applying basically here multiplication, simply if we are doing at this stage with this a complement is going to be multiplied with this part, then we have a complement b, sorry, a complement b complement, or a c a complement is to be there. So in this case, if you look at a and a complement, it gives you 0 into anything, 0 is to be there, and a complement here, it is also giving us 0. So 0 into 0 is 0. 0 or 0 is always 0, and that's why the answer of this expression is 0. So it is quite interesting to see what how the De Morgan's is going to be applied. So that is what the simplification for this expression. Now let's see another one, which is to be another simple one example, that is x is equal to a and b complement, or a and a complement, or c whole complement is to be there. This is also complement part is to be. So again you can apply according to the De Morgan's theorem. It is nothing but to be a complement of product. We can convert it into sum of their complement. That's why we can write a complement or b complement is already there. Again complement of that is to be there. So double complement is nothing but to be original is to be there variable. This is why it is a complement or b is to be there. Let's see at this stage what is going to be happening. Here we kept at we have the complement part a, sorry, and a complement or c whole complement. So here the product complement of product is to be there. We can convert it into sum of their complement, and that's why we can write here a complement, or in bracket a complement, or c total complement. Total complement in that sense, only a complement or c is going to be complemented. So this is how the De Morgan's is going to be applied for this stage. And again, if a complement is to be if you look at this stage here, again a complement or c is complemented, so it is nothing but to be a sum of sorry, complement of the sum is to be there. So we can convert it into a product of their complement, and here again a complement or kept at it is, and this is going to be converted into complement of their product, and that's why a complement is already there, but this complement is removed, that's why it is to be a double complement, and c complement is to be there. So this is what the case where the simplification according to the De Morgan's law is to be there. So now let's see what we have remaining is to be there. A complement or a complement, it always gives a complement, or or b is to be there as it is. Again here complement of complement a is to be there, that's why a and c complement is to be there. A c complement we can write here. And if you look at this, again stage is to be a complement. Here if you look at this stage where this part, sorry, this a complement or b or a c complement. So if we reshuffle this a complement or a c complement or b, here we can write for this stage a complement according to the another 14th law, a complement or c complement is to be there, or b is to be there. So this is what the simplification in that case, and reshuffling it a complement or b or c complement we can write in this fashion. Now let's move on to the another one, and that is somehow simplification for the another one example. And if you look at this stage, here it is a b complement and a or c, or a complement b and a or b complement or c complement whole complement is to be there. So we have this relation, and in this stage again we are applying the De Morgan's theorem, and it is again to be quite interesting to see what exactly the logic is to be there. This is what complemented part, but it is the product, we can convert it into sum of their complement. That's why a b complement again complement, or a or c complement is to be there. Product is converted into sum of their complement. Again here a complement or a complement b is to be there, and here uh, let's see, this is what the a complement b and a or b complement or c complement total complement is to be there. And here in this case stages, sorry, sum of the complements complement of the sum is to be there, we can convert it into product of their complement, and that's why it is a complement and b complement and complement double complement, because b complement is already there. Again c complement is already there, that's why, and c double complement is to be there. So complement of complement original is to be there, and a complement b and a complement b c is to be, we can write here. Now the what is we have here, a b complement a whole complement is to be there. It is product, that's why we can convert it in sum of their complement. Again a complement b complement, again complement means complement of complement original b is to be there. This is what the sum of their complement, we can convert it into product of their complement. The complement of sum is to be there, that's why a complement and c complement is to be there. Or here ab is going to be, a complement b is going to be multiplied with this, that's why it is a complement b, a complement bc is to be there. So as a complement twice, we can write for a single a complement. B and b, again we can write one b is to be there, c as it is to be there. So we have the remaining value a complement or b, or a complement c complement, or a complement b c is to be there. So now look at this quite interesting part. If we will take a as a common, wherever a is, a complement is to be there from these terms, then we will have 1 or c complement or bc is to be there. A is taken common, a complement is taken common from these terms, and that's why we have 1 plus c complement or bc is to be there, or b is to be there. This is what the, but 1 plus everything will become to be again as in 1. So we will have this a complement or b is to be there, sorry, this is what we can see here. It is to be as an remaining value is to be here. You will see this is what a complement and 1 or b is to be there, so remaining value is a complement or b is to be there. This is what the simplification. Now last simplification of these Boolean expressions. Here the right hand side is given, so in this case we have trying to prove the right hand side to the left hand side. So pq or r p complement is to be there. So in this case we have writing the same rp complement as it is here, and pq, but instead of pq there is nothing is to be inside there, it means multiplied with 1 into 1 is always there, and that 1 is going to be converted, because pq and 1 is always pq is to be there, that's why pq, but that 1 is converted into 1 plus r is always 1, and that 1 is converted into 1 plus r. So again this pq is multiplied with this term, that is 1 plus r, that's why pq or pqr will be there, plus r p complement will be there. Again in this case what we will do, that is to be pq, r is taken as a common in this part, and remaining part will be pq from this pq, and this r is to be there, r is to be there, and this pq plus r into p complement and pq will be there. And again we know the term, that is p complement or p uh, q is nothing but to be p complement or q is to be there. So remaining value is pq or r into p complement q is to be there. So here is to be as an remaining values. If we multiply this r with this, then we will have pq plus rp complement or rq is to be there. So if you look at this right hand side, it is now correct with this left hand side. pq plus qr plus rp complement is to be there. So this is what the right hand side and left hand side is equal, and this is in this way we can simplify the different expressions. Thank you for joining this session. Be at home and be safe. Thank you.